Hello, guys. Welcome back to more trading signals for cryptocurrencies. So, making a video for you. I want to make the announcement. Yesterday, I told you that the trading signals group was open for everyone. Well, today now announced that everyone, absolutely everyone, will have a 3-day free trial. Okay, you'll have 3 days for free. Anyone can participate in the Telegram group. All you have to do is write down in the comments. Is write to me via email. Okay, write to me via email. The email is always in the description box. So write to me, and I will give you the access, the link, so you can join the Telegram group. Like I told you, all everyone will have 3 days for free. Uh, Supporters, very loyal supporters. You guys know who you are. I already know who you are. You have 1 week for free. You can try the signals for 1 week for free. And other supporters, clients in the past, everyone will have 2 weeks for free. Okay. This is what I'm offering you guys, so you can check out my signals, so you can check out my strategies. In the Telegram group, I post some predictions, price predictions, levels, just like you're seeing right now. Another very important stuff that I don't publish in either the YouTube videos or in my X account, Twitter, so called. So what you can see right now is basically the Solana chart for 10 hours. Okay, this is the one that I really like to use for long-term trades. Okay, and you can see right now we had a red signal, a bearish signal, corrections coming up on the 10-hour chart, and this could last for at least 2 days. Okay, so this position is going to go lower. Possibly these are the levels that I'm currently kind of targeting. So we get, for example, this one is around 178, and this is 76. And the other one, which is the most extreme level, I believe will be back to the support zone around 72. So I believe it's going to be very, very crucial that we kind of hold this line, because if we don't, if we actually go below, the next support, I believe, is somewhere around 62 or something like that, 68. So it's going to be painful if Solana actually loses the support. But this could actually happen, guys. I'm really seeing October very, very bad. Okay, the pumps, for example, this one was extremely weak, only around to this level that I managed. It didn't even go to the second or let alone the third level. Very much unlike the previous pump, which was much stronger. Right now, we can see the coins really have lots of trouble going and staying up. For example, Bitcoin already lost 10K, okay, going around 9, almost to 8, possibly going to lose that very soon, okay. For Bitcoin, I believe the levels will be around the support and possibly even lower. Okay, this will actually take us all the way down to maybe even below 100. I don't know. It sounds a little extreme, but it could happen. Right now, guys, the only hope that we have is November, because October is fucked up. I mean, we really cannot count on this month at all. It's course, guys. It's absolutely course. So we don't really have any chance in October. Lower low. I mean, higher. Yeah, it's lower lows and lower highs. So very bearish outlook for cryptocurrencies. And let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum was kind of worse than Solana, because Ethereum had the red signal for the 10-hour earlier than Solana, much earlier, much sooner. And you can see right now Ethereum is also behaving really bad. already went below 4K. So this is going to be possibly, maybe in the coming days. I believe we will see 3.8, possibly 37, 3.6, 35. I don't know. 35 sounds kind of extreme, but it can happen, guys, because the difference is really not so high from this point. Okay, this point is really very, very close, compared to other higher highs, which again, I really don't see October recovering. I really don't see that happening. ABACs, very bad as well. I mean, look at this. It actually looks like it was trading in range for most of the time. I have to zoom in order to actually see what's happening right there. Aster never really recovered from the crash. Okay, very, very bad news. Like I told you, only November can save us right now. Even Phone, which many people were hyping in the last couple days, it's basically unusable, guys. This is like a destroyed coin. It's very useless. So yeah, guys, that's basically all I have for you. As you can see, many coins, most if not all coins, have never really recovered from the crash that we saw on the 10th of October. So I'm really, in a bearish mood right now. I really don't see high chances in October, at least. Like I told you, only November can save us. And if November doesn't bring really, really strong pumps, really strong impulses, it's basically over and we can actually declare the end of the bull run. Because some people are saying it's going to extend all to the 20, to the next year, basically. And that's really, really unlikely. Okay, I really don't see that happening at all, because 26 is going to be maybe a normal year, if anything. But the years after 26 are going to be extremely bad. And I don't really see, that as a fertile ground for basically a bull run to happen. So, yeah, guys, it's looking very bleak for many coins. But like I always told you, we can make money no matter what, no matter the directions of the market, no matter the trends of the market. Okay, so that's basically all I have to tell you guys. Again, like, share, and subscribe for the work, and I'll see you guys next time.